here in this snowstorm, we got a guy that knows he's going to get out on the road. So we'll see how that goes. He got stuck first time he tried to turn that corner. Oops, he got stuck again. That didn't work. Not only do we have that guy, we got that guy that's stuck for sure. And then we got this guy that's going to follow him out. So we've got some guys that know what they're doing. He must be loaded heavy, is all I can say. Be able to move it all. I believe he's probably where he's going to be. But he doesn't think so. He's spinning the heck out of it. Oops. He's going to be buried about right there, it looks like. He's pouring the coals to it. The black smoke goes up when he does. But I'm not sure. Without chains, he's going anywhere, and I don't know what he's going to do when he gets on the big road. And here he comes back again. If he doesn't hit that trailer, he'll be lucky. Zoom. Let's see if you can see it. Steering wheel before he gets his unit moving, so that's going to stick him. Probably. But as you can see, it's still snowing pretty good. And we'll have an update on that later if he gets out.